We are in Gold River, California this morning where we have installed some Alta dual shades. This particular situation is 3 separate shades on a sliding door. This door is actually, it's very large, but it's actually manufactured in 3 separate panels, so it makes sense for us to treat each panel separately here. This product line does allow for 2-on-1 headrail, but it does not allow for a 3-on-1 headrail. So in this particular situation, we just have 3 separate shades completely butted up at the top together. We've aligned them with where the door kind of naturally breaks. These are on a beaded standard manual system, works very well. And this isn't a light filtering fabric, so with a fabric like this, it's going to cut down the light and glare quite a bit, but you will still get some light in. And you can still see out it when they're in the aligned position like this, but still getting a little bit of privacy as well.